Hi, I'm Donatella Arpaia, and I wanted to congratulate you on the purchase of your Philips pasta maker and welcome you to the Philips family. I'm going to help you get set up and ready to go so you can be making pasta every night of the week. Okay, so first make sure you have all your parts to your Philips compact pasta maker. This is your mixing chamber, obviously your compact pasta machine, your mixing paddle, your squeeze chamber and squeeze chamber cover, your lid, your cleaner and pasta cutter, your liquid cup, your dry cup, your shaping disc cover, and then your 3 shaping discs and a container that it goes in and slides right in right here. First, start by sliding the mixing chamber onto the main unit like this. Then, make sure the main unit is aligned and fitted with the openings on the bottom of the mixing chamber. Then put the mixing paddle in the mixing chamber from above, then insert the squeezing tube into the mixing chamber. Now, you want to make sure the big opening on the squeezing tube faces up when you insert the tube into the chamber. Then, insert the squeezing bar into the mixing chamber. Make sure it slides all the way through both the tube, the mixing paddle, and into the opening at the back of the machine. Finally, slightly turn the mixing paddle to make sure it's connected correctly. Now you can attach the shaping disc. I am attaching the spaghetti disc today. Make sure the arrow on the shaping disc faces upwards when you attach it on the mixing chamber outlet. Press the shaping disc through the opening of the shaping disc holder, and then assemble the holder on the mixing chamber outlet. Turn the holder clockwise to firmly lock it in place. So I'm going to walk you through a basic pasta recipe for the first time, just so you see how easy it is. I'm going to use a traditional durum flour pasta with a combination of semolina and all-purpose flour. First, the measuring cups. One is a flour cup, and one is your liquid cup. These are included with the pasta maker, and trust me, they are the key to your success. They are not standard measuring cups and should only be used to make sure you have the best results possible. So here is 1 flour cup, which will produce just under a ½ pound of pasta, and 2 cups will produce just under 1 pound of pasta. Pasta is made with flour and water or flour and egg mixture, which is egg and water. Now look at the included liquid cups to figure out your liquid. The cup is double-sided. Side A with 2 liquid levels is only designed for all normal pasta, all-purpose flour mixed with egg, which is the most popular kind and the one I'm making today. And side B is for all other types of pasta flours and liquids. In our recipe, we're going to use an egg mixture, and since we only used 1 cup of semolina and all-purpose, we're going to use side B of the liquid cup. To know how much liquid, check the table in your booklet. For 1 cup of durum flour, we need 75 mLs of liquid. So when using the egg, crack the egg right into the cup like I did, and then add enough water to hit 75 ml. And then just whisk it. And now we're ready to start making the pasta. Now remove the lid and pour your flour in. Close your lid. Now turn the automatic knob on and press the play pause button. Now you're going to slowly pour your liquid into the lid opening while your pasta maker is mixing just like this. Do it very slowly. Take your time. In this mixing stage, you should be seeing a crumbly consistency rather than a fully shaped dough. That's what you're going to be looking for, a crumbly consistency. If it does form a fully shaped dough, you need to put in a little more flour. So after the 3 minutes, you'll hear a beeping sound and the pasta starts to extrude. It is amazing, and it only took a few minutes. And you can cut the pasta to the preferred size with the included cutter. It's so easy. Philips really thought of everything. I like to make little bundles. You can add a little flour, and this can go directly into a boiling pot of hot water, or if you'd like, You can freeze them in these little bundles, and then when you're ready, take them out and directly into boiling water. Cooking time depends on personal preferences, pasta shapes, number of servings. Make sure you use a lot of water and a lot of salt. Fresh made pasta will keep in the refrigerator for a few days, or if you made a big batch, you could easily freeze them. But just remember, when you take it out of the freezer, do not let them thaw. They go right into a boiling pot of water for the best results. Now, the best part is that all the removable parts are dishwasher safe. So cleanup is easy and you can have fresh pasta in no time. Make sure to register your pasta maker by texting a photo of this camera icon so you can receive an extended warranty, new recipes, and special discounts, including one for 40% off any accessory kit for more pasta shapes. So what will you make with your Philips pasta maker? I want to know. Show us on social media by tagging hashtag Philips Pasta Maker and following me on social media at Donatella Arpaia for new and exciting content. And pasta.